Well, I'll go by my alone, Sailor, what do we do when a drunken sailor? What do we do when a drunken sailor? How you smell it, burn out. You're finally ready to be persecuted. There are the sneers and jeers that you played elsewhere. When you read yourself 16, you're executed. Now just like a child's mom. She looks at you and metal terrified. Where's the devil you're ready? It's what like the other way. Making that love makes them get a sign. Woo!
When I lay with you, well, I can stay there and close my eyes, feel you here. It's forever, you and me together, nothing is better. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true all the days. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watching pour as I took your face. Oh, nearing Damadoo Damada. Fight for me, daddy-o. Fight for me, daddy-o. There's the stream, the jarrow. Molly,
You have to sing as well.
as I was going over the mountain,
In time, for God's sake. Here we go.
Work for me, daddy-o. Work for me, daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. There you go.
There you go.
Well, I counted out this money, and it made a 50 penny. I poured it in me pocket, and my brother went for Jenny. She swore and she sighed, she never would betray me. But the bill take the living for me, never can lie easy with me. Everybody, work for me, daddy-o. Hey, work for me, daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. I counted out this money, and I looked for it somewhere. The golden jewels and the price was no wonder. And she needs her in the charges, and she burned the whole water. And sent for Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter. Work for me, daddy-o. Work for me, daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. Come on, Roger. Hey! She'd stolen the rainy river, so I hid her with me banjo and a prisoner I was taken with me. Work for me, daddy-o, hey! Work for me, daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Well, if there's anyone brave, it is me brother in the army, and I can find the station that's quartered in Killarney. And if you go with me, we'll be rolling through Kilkenny, and I'm sure that treat me better than me out the sport. Work for me, daddy-o, work for me, daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Hey! Well, the sun men get delight out the barn and the bowling. When fellas get delight out the back and the ball are rolling. While I get my delight with the juice of the barley and pretty fair night in the morning, bright and early with me a ring-a-doo-da-da. Work for me, daddy-o, work for me, daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar with me a ring-a-doo-da-da. Hey! Work for me, daddy-o, work for me, daddy-o, there's
stars exceeding the giant.
Mr. Jerry Powell.